The best way to know which style of beard will suit your face shape is to speak to your barber. Look after your hard-earned growth by always trimming one length longer than you need. You can always go shorter if you need to, but you can't put the length back on. Regular trimming on the cheeks and neckline will help to keep your beard looking sharp and tidy. When trimming the cheeks, always work down the cheek and follow a line from your mustache to your ear. When trimming the neck, follow the shape of your jawline for a more natural look. Unless you are blessed with the most perfect beard growth, you will want to keep on top of hairs that affect the shape of your beard. The best way to do this is to take a small detailer blade and trim the smaller areas without affecting the overall shape. Enhance your beard with a clean shave. Multi-groomers are great for this, as they come with multiple attachments for all your beard care needs. Beard maintenance at home just got better with the Wahl Extreme Grip, the ultimate trimmer with multiple attachments that make it easy to trim, shape, shave and detail your facial hair.